One of my patients was the John Deere dealer in Nebraska and was the center of one of those tornadoes that blew up through the center of the state, center of the country, which does so often. And he had a picture of himself with George Bush, who came to inspect the damage. And he was a great big guy. And he heard about my surgery, came here, and he has two sons who work in town here. They have a big physical therapy practice in town. And they see a lot of heavy people. They put them through exercise programs and healthy eating and things like that to help them lose weight. And so he brought the two sons and his wife to clinic to listen to me talk about the MGB. And you get certain, body language. You can tell different body language. Like when you look at people, they look back in the eye and they give you a little smile or they shake their heads or things like that. Then there are other little tricks of body language like this.
Statue.
You think you're operating on my daughter? I will kill you if you want. So you get these little, so they sat in the front like this. So they ask about exercise. So here is the deal on exercise. First, is exercise good? Yes, it's wonderful. It's good for your brain. It's good for your heart. It's good for psychology. It's good for length of life. It's good in so many ways. Now, the other question though is, does exercise cause weight loss? No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. For the amount of exercise that you and I as average Americans have to give to exercise, that will not cause weight loss. If you want weight loss, you could join the Olympic rowing team. 2.5-hour practices twice a day, 6 days a week. Okay? Or you could move to an Amish farm with 8 hours a day of relatively hard labor, 17 to 20,000 steps a day. That will cause weight loss. Now, most of us have lives or can't give that kind of intense exercise. So short of that, exercise is good for you, but it will not cause weight loss. It's good for you, it will not cause weight loss. We should exercise. And a lot of people have exercised. They've been to the gym 4 times a week for a half an hour to an hour. That is good for you, and you should do it. It will not cure your diabetes. Do I like exercise? I think it's great for my patients. It doesn't cause weight loss in the amount, in the dosage that most Americans have to give. Does that answer your question? You might ask, when can you exercise after the surgery? The answer is right away. Now we have a very